Texas, now the largest state to block gender-affirming care for transgender children. The law going into effect today after months of protests against it.
Children need to be protected and allowed to develop into the gender they were born with.
The bill would prevent transgender minors from accessing hormone therapy and puberty blockers. The bill also bans transition surgeries for anyone under 18, though medical experts say those are rarely performed on children.
This law only seeks to prohibit treatments only for transgender youth with gender dysphoria, while allowing the exact same medical care, including puberty blockers and hormones, to be prescribed to any other minor for any other reason or medical diagnosis.
Some families feeling forced to flee their home state because of the law.
We are political refugees in our own country.
The Ray family moved from Texas to Maryland to get better care for their trans son, Leon. Mother Camille testifying on behalf of trans children in Texas.
Access to age-appropriate treatment for transgender youth is an immediate issue for my family.
The Lone Star State is one of more than 20 that have passed bans on gender-affirming care, according to the Human Rights Campaign. 17 of those have now taken effect. 4 others are on hold pending court injunctions, and 7 more state legislatures are considering bans of their own. For Republicans, transgender rights have become a major issue on the campaign trail.
In Florida, it's very clear. We think that that is mutilation. We think that that is wrong.
I've supported measures in my home state and around the country that would simply ban gender transition treatment for young people.
While President Biden and Democrats have denounced the bans.
You do belong. And I want you to know that as your president, all of us on this stage have your back.
With nearly half of U.S. states having now passed such legislation, researchers estimate about 150,000 trans children are without access to the care that major medical organizations recommend. A political debate with real-world implications.
Noah Pransky joins us now in studio. Noah, we have heard a lot of politicians talk about this legislation, but what do medical associations actually have to say about it?
There is far less debate there. A lot of consensus, actually. The American Academy of Pediatrics, the American Medical Association, they all say that this kind of treatment is beneficial for kids suffering and diagnosed with gender dysphoria. The consensus is that it can address mental health, it can help save lives. According to the Trevor Project, transgender and non-binary kids are twice as likely as their cisgender peers to take their own lives.
Noah Pransky, thank you for bringing us that important report. We appreciate it.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.